In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. So if you have a blank page that you can't delete, there's a couple of things we can do to get rid of this. The first thing you need to do is press Ctrl plus the letter G on your keyboard, and this will bring up the Find and Replace tool. From the search box, you just need to type in /page and then hit Enter on your keyboard. Then click Close to the window, and from here you can just press the Delete button on your keyboard, and that should take you over to the first page, and it should get rid of any blank pages. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing that you can try doing is pressing the Ctrl plus backspace on your keyboard. This is also another way to delete any stuck pages. And finally, the last thing you want to do is just scroll down to the bottom of the page that you're trying to delete, and then just highlighting everything on the page like so, and then once again pressing Ctrl and backspace, and that should have now solved your issue. So that's it, guys. That's how you delete a blank page in Microsoft Word. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.